Sandy Frank here, and today picked up, from Blowout Cards, they sent me my case of 2018 Bowman's Best. And I'm going to go ahead and, in this video, I'm just going to open up the box and number the boxes, just for verification and all that stuff. And I figured, hey, might as well make a video. Yeah, there's a poster in here. Let's see what the poster looks like. Topps Baseball Series 1 2019. They're going to have silver packs again. 150 years of baseball. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow. Okay, so here's what the silver pack cards are going to look like. Very cool, the 1984 Topps design. That is sweet. So, definitely am looking forward to seeing some of those. There's some autos in there too. Very cool. So, they're promoting their 2019 silver packs. Alright, well, here's what the boxes look like. This one right here is turned the other way. Well, I guess both those are. I don't know if that means anything. But I'm just going to number them on the top here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So these will be really fun to open. I'm going to take my time opening them. They just came out today, so I'm probably, when you see this video, it'll probably be the next day, because I didn't get them until I got home from work, so a little too late to post a video on them. So move this box out of the way. So there they are, and can't wait to rip some of these. Definitely looking for Juan Soto out of this stuff, and of course would love to get any other nice cards out of it. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.